So how to draw fun cartoon heads? Simplify first, exaggerate later. So what we're gonna talk about in this video is two of the big pillars of the cartoon style: simplifying and exaggeration. There are a couple of more, but these two are the real starting point. So when and how do we use the simplification? Well, first we can use this technique when we start to draw our character. So what geometric shape can we fit the head into? A circle, a rectangle, triangle, or maybe a diagonal? Even the strangest shaped head can be compared to something simpler. Simplifying also means that we don't need to draw every little details when we are working on our character. So secondly, we pull this out when we are actually drawing our character. We only need to give the general ideas of the facial features. So the eyes can be two oval shapes with two big black dots in them, the pupils. Or the nose can be this simple, only one tiny bean shape, and that's it. And the mouth, a simple line, for example, or two. Ears can be two simple lines, one for the outline, another one for the inner parts. Now it's time to exaggerate. We can go nuts with shapes and exaggeration. We can break lots of rules, but we still need to keep some important ones. Otherwise, it just won't look right even in the cartoon world. But then which rules can we break and which ones should we keep? Can we draw the jaw this pointy? Of course! It gives the character, well, character. Can something explain this sticking out corner? If not, then don't do it. If does, give it a reason, a story. Cartoon heads can tell a story even without telling a word. Okay, maybe they can't without facial features, but that's another lessons topic. Okay, we can pop some pre-drawn just to clarify placement and give them more glance. And how far can we stretch, for example, the top of the head? Okay, stop there, you'll break it. So you only need to know where you can exaggerate and how far you can push it. In the full tutorial, I show you the structure beneath so you understand exactly how to shape awesome cartoon heads. See you there.